Hello and good afternoon. Welcome to a financial Excel spreadsheet. This is all about synergy. Now, enter the following information on the bidding firm on the synergy worksheet. So details that are already in, they're just figures that are related to the headings. Let's keep going down. So expect growth in the next 5 years, 50%, after 5 years, 6%. Be stuck. These are more on the target firm. Interest expense, depreciation, capital spending, working capital as a percentage of revenue. Expected growth rate, be that stock. Now here's where I have to calculate the cost of goods without sold versus synergy is. So this will require a long-sum table. Well, the answer is 72.22%. So that's the cost of goods without synergy is. Going to divide by D37 by D39. So the answer is it's going to reduce costs into a new cost of goods sold. Yeah, here I have to calculate the growth rate and earnings in the next 5 years without financial synergy. Oh, I see. There's nothing input into the sections here, but when they are calculated, then this section should be updated to a number. So I won't worry about that now. So let's move on. Let's go to the growth rate after year 5 is expected to be. This is a very hard and long one, so please stay patient while I do this long sum table. Could take some time. Okay. That is correct. The reason why it says that because there's nothing has been calculated just yet only on those tables. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So those are already been solved. They're already calculated correctly. So now I'm going to go to this section, calculate the free cash flow to equity on the bidder section. D8. Oh god, so yeah, that's the correct answer. €98 and 48 cents. And look, the growth rate I calculated, they're now a number. It's now 15% for the first one, the next 5 years, and then the one after you're expected to be that long sum table. That answer is now 6%. It could change when I calculate the other tables, so we don't know that. So let's go and calculate the targets section. Our answer is €33 and 33 cents. Yeah, the percentages are changing because I can input the target. Now it input the A plus B no synergy, which is a very short one. Bidder plus target. Now, fortunately for this one, that is going to be a very long one. This won't be A plus B with synergy. It's be a long if statement. Okay, let's see what we get now. Oh, I think that must be a bracket. The problem is fixed, thank God. So, but for now, I'm going to stop where I am and then continue later on in the next video, and I'll move on to the next some tables need to be calculated. So, this is quite technical and very hard and difficult. So, I'll try my best to get this done as much as possible and get the figures correct as much as I can. So, stay tuned, and I'll see you all very soon. Wash your hands, stay safe, and have a good weekend. Thank you all for watching this. Adios.